Hello everyone, welcome to EcoGreen Experts. Today we'll be talking about how to onboard an employer and post your job requirement on our portal. To start with, you would be heading towards Find Jobs. Once you click on Find Job, you would be landing on this page. This page has an option to directly post for the job that you would want to make it available for the job seekers, or you can look for other options by scrolling down. You can sign up. It is mandatory that you would end up signing up because you will have a dedicated dashboard assigned to you where you can manage all the jobs that you would want to list. To start with, you click on sign up, enter your full name, email address, create a password, and use an available username. Once you click on create account, you would receive an activation email. Please go ahead and activate the email in order to access the account. So I'll now try to directly log into the web page. I click on sign in and I enter my details. And once I log in, I'll be directly taken to the dashboard. By default, you will be a job seeker, right? If you're an employer, you can end up directly going to post job option and you can post your jobs. The minute you do this, you will have additional tabs made available on the right hand side wherein you can manage your job listings accordingly. And you can also view all the applicants who have sent an application to you. So to start with, let's click on post job. And here it starts by posting a job that I would want to make it available. So let's say I'm looking for solar engineers in Bangalore. And if it is my own company, I would select my own company. If it is some other company, I would click on this and enter the company name. This next step is selecting a category. This is very, very crucial because we have a lot of categories just under the solar projects at the moment. So for engineering, you can choose the engineering tab, which is here, and then you can select solar design engineer and click on continue, and then you select the location. If it is in Bangalore, you just type in Bangalore and you enter city Bangalore, or maybe you can just type the state name. Once this is done, you're set to go to the next. Here you put in the job description. What I've done is I've created one using ChatGPT. You can put in your own job description under the description page. I would just go ahead and paste this and add some keywords. And so on. Once I add the keyword, then I click on next. If I want to schedule or let the candidate know what are the available times, I can schedule my time. I can say I'm available from 9 to 6 or 9 to 3. And I can assign it accordingly. If I'm busy on Wednesday and Monday and available on Thursday and Friday, I can just click that and I can make that available. If you want to list out the salary, let's say 25,000 per month and pricing is monthly, you can select that. Would you like to take the candidate for full-time, as an internship, a temporary or contract or part-time, you can select that. If there is a minimum experience that you're looking for, you can check that as well. And you can give in your company details, EcoGreen.com. And once you do this, it will ask for your logo. Just put in your logo. If you want to add some pictures or audio files, please go ahead and add them. Click on save. You have now successfully added your job listing, and this is now available, and there will be a notification saying that you have just added a new job. Now you can see when you go into the listing, you have successfully added the application. You can see this my job, so you can click on my job and you can see this one is pending approval. So the minute we activate it, you will be able to see that on the page and your job is done. Once you have listed this, whenever an applicant applies for the job, you would get a request on your mailbox and you can accept or reject the request directly from here. If someone sends out a request, you can directly go ahead and reject the request or accept the request based on their qualification. They would be sending in the resume and then you can decide whether you want to accept or reject. So I'll send in another video which talks about how to run or how to leverage the dashboard for the employers. Thank you very much for listening, and that's it for today.